Alright guys, got a little package here from Amazon, and like the title says, it's an OTF knife, so let's see what you get for 35 bucks. Large model size outdoor tactical something hunting knife, kitchen knife, made in China. That's it, nothing else on there. Alright, comes in one of these wonky little little sheaves. Let's get into it. Here we go. It feels quite substantial weight to it, and it has a ball bearing glass breaker there. Feels pretty grippy, and it's got the star screws, so we can get into it if we want to. Is it an 8? Yep, it's an 8. T8. Links below for these tools. Good tools. All right, let's have a quick look around it first. Feels like it's an aluminum bodied knife. All right, let's get in there. There's the blade. Looks pretty decent actually. See the grind on there. It's a hollow grind. Doesn't feel tremendously sharp, but yeah. Seems to work okay. Amazing what you can get off Amazon these days. Alright, let's take some dimensions off of this thing. 2.63 millimeters blade stock. 4-inch blade, 4-inch cutting edge. Overall, with the glass breaker, it's almost 10 inches overall. 18.80 millimeters, so just under 19 millimeters. Let's see what that is in inches. 0.74 inches. The grind on the blade here, it's got a swedge up on the top, and the swedge and the hollow grind here is blacked out, and also in the fuller groove here with little holes there for, I don't know, weight reduction or just looks. It's actually a lot better quality than I ever imagined it would be. I just threw 35 bucks at it just out of curiosity. Yeah. Works pretty good. .230 grams, which is 8.1 ounces. It has a little bit of wiggle there, left to right, and slight bit up and down, but to be honest, it's pretty good. I mean, you get that with OTF knives, with most of them, and I've held some pretty expensive ones in the past, and it's really no different. Yeah, if you're not familiar with your local knife laws, check them out before thinking about carrying one of these things. There's a lot of areas in the US that don't like you carrying these things. This is just for my collection. It is fun though. sometimes the blade comes off the tracks on these things, like if you happen to hit something like up close, it comes off the tracks, it doesn't go anywhere. So if that happens, then just drop your blade out, pull it, and it resets it. Then you're back in action again. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later.